ESChat offers 24/7, 365 live phone support for customers and the ability to email ESChat support directly from your device. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to contact ESChat support from your device. Start by opening the navigation drawer. Once open, scroll down until you reach Email. Select the Email option and see the Email Support form appear. When filling out the support form, it's important to provide your email address and an accurate and specific message so that the support team can communicate with you successfully. While a phone number is not required, it may be helpful to include. When finished, press the Send button. A confirmation message will appear on the screen. For additional assistance, visit the ESChat support page.